Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a fashion style renowned for blending vintage aesthetics with modern trends. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. In British accent, we may pronounce it as Grandpa Chic, Grandpa Chic, Gram-pa Chic, Grandpa Chic, while in American accent, we may pronounce it as Grandpa Chic, Grandpa Chic, Gran-pa Chic, Grandpa Chic. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.